We're now going to cover how to read in each line into a list with the read lines method. So notice the S over here at the end. That's the only thing that is different. Read line will read in a single line. Read lines reads in every line, but places each line in a list. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this and you'll see this. So we'll use the new way with open baseball.txt as F. And I'm going to assign the result of this to some variable called lines. So read lines will be return everything as a list. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is a 5-item list. So you can see here, here's the list. If you don't believe me, you can just use the type function. So it is indeed a list. So there are all the lines. This is the first line, and you can see a comma. So if I look at, let's just go ahead and grab this. All right, here is the first line. I can get the last line like this. There's no carriage return, new line character at the end because the file doesn't go to the 6th line. There's no blank line on the 6th. That's why there's no new lines. That's a little bit different over there. But anyways, this should prove to you that this is a list, and that's how you can read in every single line as a new item in the list with the read lines method.